representing remainder as a decimal. So my problem is 234 divided by 4. So I'm going to put a decimal at the end of my number and add a 0. Just so that if I come across the answer with the remainder, I'll be able to solve for it. So looking at it, that I know that 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 100 is 400. I can also conclude that 4 times 20 is 80, 4 times 30 is 120, 4 times 40 is 160, 4 times 50 is 200. 200 is my best bet, so I'm going to subtract 200, and I'm going to write on the side 50. And so now I have a total of 34 decimal 0. And looking at this, I'm going to use my 4's family facts. So I know 4 times 5 equals 20, because here 4 times 50 equal to 100. So 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. And 4 times 8 equals 32. So I'm going to use 8 because it is the closest to 34. So I'm going to write my 32 there and my 8 on the side. So I'm going to subtract this out, and now I have 2 as my number. So I know that my whole number is 58, and now I'm going to be using a decimal to figure out the remainder of this. So I can also go in another direction. So if I know 4 times 1 is 4, I know 4 times 0.1 equals 0.4. So 4 times 0.2 equals 0.8. I know 4 times 0.3 equals 1 2/10. 4 times 0.4 equals 1 6/10. 4 times 0 and 5 equals 2 whole. So my next best bet is going to be this here. So I'm going to write my 0 below my 8, decimal point, and 5. So I'm going to subtract 2.0, and I end up with nothing left. So I'm going to add over here, and I have 58 and 5/10. So 58 and 5/10.